This is all you have to do to tenderize your beef, guys. You can also use the skin, just, don't throw it out, use the inside of the skin. So really simple, simple, simple. This is going to break down the collagen and it's going to make your tough steak really soft. So just cover it. Chill it in the fridge for 3 hours. Then you just take off the fruit and cook it. This works awesome, guys. But green papaya is even better because it has more papain. So if you have green papaya, just blend it and do the same thing, okay?